Big, it's Valentine's Day. Look at our big girl. She's sitting up all by herself on the sofa. Look at the big girl. Can we get a smile? Yes. She's very active. She's very active. But she sits. Savannah. Savannah. Hello. Hi. Hello. Yes. Got your toys? Huh? Who's that? Who's that? Yes. Look at you sitting up. Look at you sitting up. My very first Valentine's Day. Daddy's not here. He's in Vegas for work. And we miss him. Baby girl. Hi. She's a very good sitter now. Doesn't do that well on the floor. But the backdrop. Savannah. Savannah, she knows her name too. Yeah. Savannah. Look. Look. Hey. She's very busy. She likes her peeps. Unattached. Look at you with your bunny slippers. Yeah. Savannah. Hello. Hi. Yes. Savannah. Savannah, one last look. Savannah. Savannah. You're very good.